Check first if there is a common factor for all of the terms in the polynomial. Since there is none, let us now try to factor this by grouping. Identify which two terms have a common factor and pair them together. Now let's factor the paired terms. As you can see, these two sets of factors have a common binomial factor, which is 2p plus 5. Let us now find the second factor by dividing each set by our common binomial factor, 2p plus 5. We can also pair the terms differently as long as the pair of terms has a common factor. Let us rewrite our polynomial so that the paired terms are written beside each other. Notice that our final answer here is the same as our final answer in the first method.
So learners, what would you like to learn next? Comment below.